garden friends, the yard is a mess, an epic mess. And it's because the last 4 or 5 days we've experienced, like, I'd say torrential rains, okay, but more so like torrential winds. We've had windstorms with the addition of rain. So it's uh, it's caused a lot of devastation. All right. Now I got tree limbs, large chunks of tree limbs that have fallen, and you know I've been putting off cleaning up this yard for several weeks now because the weather has been so unpredictable. This spring, there really is no pattern, so to speak of. Um, and so you just have to kind of take things as you go along. So I'm going to turn this camera around. You guys can have a quick laugh, and we got to attack and do some serious cleaning today. All right. Here's the wind. It's shaking my camera as we speak. All right. Well, at least that looks pretty, right? That's right above my head. Got to get that down. There are my imperial giant larkspurs. That big old chunky branch just fell into the bed. Here are all the poppies I've seeded. Remember that video last year? Yeah. So the damage is real. It's beautiful variegated boxwood. It's seen better days. It's still standing. The size of this branch right here. Wow. That's impressive. size of this one right here. Wow. We can make a nice bonfire with that, huh? All right, so now I'm going to safely attempt to remove that branch, that broken branch that's within the canopy of this crepe myrtle right here. Well, clearly this ladder isn't tall enough, so I'm gonna see if I can use this rake, extend it, and try to pull that branch down. Yeah, that's not too safe. Once you get on that ladder, it's kind of hard to maintain balance. So let me see if I can get a rope or something. Well, I got a chunk of it. We'll just have to wait for the rest of it to come down when nature's ready. Yeah. Kind of have to know when to quit. All right. So another task I want to take care of is this big mama behind me. So I actually ended up limbing up this PG hydrangea. And I say PG hydrangea, and I had to do some research, some further research on this paniculata hydrangea. Come to find out, it's a PG hydrangea. PG hydrangeas can top off 30 feet tall, 25 to 30 feet tall. This one is close to 20 feet tall. And limelight hydrangeas, I found out, only max out around 8 to 10 feet tall. So this is way past 8 feet tall, I'd say. So yeah, I stand corrected. Anyone who thought that this might have been a limelight hydrangea, I was wrong. This is actually a PG hydrangea. I ended up having a whole lot of debris. Right here and over there. I came in here and I cut back a lot of these perennials. I have a whole clump of Shasta daisies. I cleaned that back. And across the way over there, over here I have a whole bunch of peony growth, new growth that's coming up. There's 2 in these pots I need to go ahead and put into the landscape somewhere. I'm not sure where just yet. And over here I need to get one of those rings, such as this right here, which helps train your peonies to staying upright, because the blooms get really, really heavy, especially after a rain. So right there is another one. And just over there, I had a huge clump of Joe Pye weed. All right. So here's all the debris from this tree that I knew it died last year. Might not be able to see it because of the sunset, but this tree right here is actually dead. Yeah, I need to take that tree down within the next month or so, because all it takes is another serious storm to bring that tree down, and that clearly will be a liability. All right, so let me go ahead and wrap this up, and thanks for hanging with me, and I'll see you all on the next episode.
Thank you.